What causes an earthquake? Have you ever felt the ground shake beneath your feet and wondered what was happening? That's what we call an earthquake, a fascinating natural event that makes our planet move. But how does it happen? Let's find out. Imagine the Earth is like a giant puzzle made up of big pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are like enormous rafts floating on a sea of hot, melted rock far below the Earth's surface. They move very slowly, sometimes bumping into each other, moving apart, or sliding past each other. Now, picture two giant puzzle pieces crashing or sliding against each other. If they get stuck because of friction, they can't move smoothly. Just like how you might struggle trying to slide a heavy box across the floor. As these tectonic plates push against each other, enormous energy builds up. It's like stretching a rubber band as far as you can. What happens when the rubber band snaps? It releases all its energy at once. That's similar to what happens during an earthquake. When the energy stored in these stuck plates is finally released, it sends out waves like ripples in a pond. These waves make the ground shake and move, an earthquake. Sometimes the shaking is so small that only special machines called seismographs can detect it. Other times, the ground shakes hard enough for all of us to feel, and it can even cause buildings to move or topple over. One more cool fact: earthquakes mostly occur along the edges of these tectonic plates. These areas, known as fault lines, are like invisible borders where the plates meet. An important thing to remember is that scientists are always studying earthquakes to help us understand them better and find ways to keep people safe. So, the next time the ground shakes, you can imagine the giant puzzle pieces of Earth moving beneath you, releasing their energy with a rumble and a shake.